that you can't do is outrun what's inside of you. You can distract yourself, you can stay busy, you can entertain yourself, you can even surround yourself with other people. You can keep scrolling, keep working, keep dating, keep finding something, anything to keep you from sitting with yourself. You can avoid the silence. You can avoid the truth. You can even convince everybody else that you are okay. But eventually, the noise, it dies down. And when it does, you are still there. And that's the part that no one can escape. At some point, you have to face yourself. See, we can outrun relationships. We can outrun environments. We can outrun a person, a place, a thing, but you cannot leave yourself behind. And if you don't deal with what's happening inside you, you can recreate it outside you. So remember, you can outrun many things, but you cannot outrun yourself.